What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 9-0 here. Bowman Signatures, break number 3. Coming up, boxes 5 and 6 of our case. 7:37 on Sunday evening. Break number 4 is ending here in a couple of hours, so those of you that see this before that happens, hopefully we'll see you in break number 4 as well, or some of you that have seen it after, hopefully you've already joined. Again, boxes 5 and 6 of our case, break number 3. We'll start with box number 5. LF 337168831. All spots have paid with the exception of 2 spots from one of our regular guys that we forgot to invoice. So we sent that combined invoice out. I think it was a total like $6. Don't be shy, guys. This is an awesome product. I'm not sure what the deal is, but doesn't seem like there's been as much interest in this as a lot of the other football products. I mean, it's a pretty nice product. It's rather expensive, I guess, on the middle to high end side, and we haven't had much success with these breaks, and I'm not really sure why. 5 autographs a box, parallels, you know, not much numbered stuff, but you are getting 5 hits a box, so get in there, guys. We got some good stuff hopefully yet to come, so hopefully break number 4 will be a little better than break number 3, but you know, regardless, we'll go through as promised. We'll do all these boxes, you know, no matter how much these teams go for, as we promised you guys that have been with us through since this one started. So anyway, here we go, box number 1 of break number 3, and good luck to everybody. Thank you all very much as always for joining. Eagles, Chris Polk, rookie. Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Chase Minifield, rookie for the Redskins. And for the Vikings, Greg Childs, rookie auto. There's an auto for you, Scott. Greg Childs. Greg Childs, base rookie. Roddy White. Fletcher Cox for the Eagles. Mohamed Sanu and Ruben Randall. NFL Combine, that will be randomized. And our auto is Kirk Cousins for the Skins. Not the Redskin we're looking for, but Kirk Cousins, rookie auto for the Redskins. So hopefully the first of a few autos to come for Washington. That sought after RG3 we're all looking for. And hopefully a red ink at some point here. Buccaneers, Doug Martin. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Julio Jones for the Falcons. Marvin McNutt for the Eagles. And is it? Nope. I saw the blue, and I thought I had the right team, but we're getting close. We have a Colt and a Redskin so far, but unfortunately they're Kobe Fleener and Kirk Cousins. So hopefully we're on the right track. So there's a hit for the Colts. Still looking for our first luck. Still looking for our first Griffin in this case. And our chrome helmet refractor auto is one of those in this pack. Sean Green base and Tom Brady base for the Pats. And for the Baltimore Ravens, Bernard Pierce, running back, refractor helmet autograph, Bernard Pierce. And I guess that's yours, Brian. You got the Ravens in break number 3, so got that one for you. Bernard Pierce, helmet auto. And we are moving along. Like I said, a PSA 10 on one of these autographs would be amazing. because these packs are all jammed shut. Alright, Fitzpatrick for the Bills and Darren Sproles for the Saints. And we've got a Seahawk, Robert Turbin. Robert Turbin, helmet auto for the Seahawks. Alright, here we go. Box number 6 of the case. Box number 2 of this break, 337168619. Good luck. And again, if you're watching this video, break number 4 is ending Sunday night. So, if it's still Sunday night, go take a look. There might be some teams' auctions ending now or shortly. So definitely check those out. We hope to see you all there as well. Ruben Randall, Giants. Greg Jennings, Packers. Reggie Bush for the Dolphins. Peter Kahns for the Falcons. And our auto is Lamar Miller, Miami Dolphins. Lamar Miller, Miami Dolphins. Auto number 1. Eagles, Nick Foles. Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers. Stephen Hill for the Jets. An NFL Combine, Stephen Hill and Calvin Johnson. And our auto looked like a Patriot. It's a Texan, DeVere Posey. Houston Texans. Look, here we go again with this stuff. DeVere Posey, Houston Texans, rookie auto. Pack number 3. Trying to be so careful with this stuff, but it's just sound like I'm whining, but trying to put the auto last if you wonder what I'm doing. Alright, Michael Floyd, Arizona Cardinals. LeGarrette Blount, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Julio Jones for the Falcons. Markel Martin for the Titans. And Ja'Cory Harris, the Miami alum quarterback for the Miami Dolphins now. Ja'Cory Harris, rookie auto. Steve Smith, Carolina. Mark Sanchez for the Jets. And auto hit is for the Rams. Isaiah Peed. Isaiah Peed helmet refractor auto for the St. Louis Rams. And our last pack should be a chrome helmet auto. Eli Manning, Giants, and Tom Brady. And here we go. Doesn't look familiar. Still doesn't look familiar. Oh, Brock Osweiler. Brock Osweiler. I guess that is Osweiler. Alright. Denver Broncos. Nice hit there. Helmet auto. Brock Osweiler for the Denver Broncos. Glad we didn't try to determine who it was from the signature because it looks like a bunch of scribbled circles. I guess there's a B in there, B and an O somewhere in there. But anyway, final hit, Brock Osweiler, Denver Broncos. All right, guys, thank you all very much for joining. 10 autos, not a bad break. No reds yet, so hopefully we've got one of them coming. Again, we have 6 boxes to go. Those of you that have guys on the NFL Combine cards, there will be a quick random done for those later this evening or probably Monday evening. So we'll put those out there to determine those winners. Again, thank you all very much for joining. Break number 4. Hope to see you there. And you guys take care. Again, thank you all for joining. Have a great week.